Hello, hi, this is Christine Crow here, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing a presentation about ChatGPT. And the reason why I'm doing this is because it is an AI tool, and I'm using version 4. This is a paid version. You can also have the Pro version, which is like $200, but I'm just using the basic, not the free version, but the $20 a month, for example. And today I'm going to be showing you how to create documents, for example, for your business, and showing you how quickly that this can be done for you in your organization, how long it's going to take you. You'll be able to see, for example, and so that you can try this yourself. Okay, now this is about training tutorials to do with AI tools that I use in my business, and I know that it has worked for me, and I also believe it can work for you. I am going to be 60 soon, and I think it's important that we start looking at this now, using it now, because if you're not using it now, then you're going to be left behind. For example, there's a big race going on currently at the moment for AI, and the big companies, they are using and spending and putting all their money into AI. And I think as a business owner, it's something that we should look at and start using it now. So I'm going to show you, for example, an example of me creating a visual document. This is how to create a telephone script to call a care home, for example. Whatever organization that you're looking to call, then you will then say that this is for a particular location, that you want it to be a friendly conversation, for example, and here's my website to go to gather informative information about what you currently do. So, i.e., for example, the services that you do, that you provide is important, and that you provide a perfect 360-degree percentage of agency. So you provide permanent and temporary, or maybe you provide one or the other. And I'm using agency as an example as using this in ChatGPT. As you can see here, this is version 4. I'm going to just paste the website, our company website here, for you to then see it in live action, for example. And then I'm going to paste it into ChatGPT to get a bit of an idea of the type of company that we are. Now, I am consultancy, for example. I'm a mentor. I do coaching. I've been a coach, business coach, for over 10 years now, and I've been in healthcare businesses for over 25 years, for example. So I've been in healthcare for 35 years. That's my speciality, for example. But I have been in business for 40 years. I've been through 3 recessions, and like I said, I've been able to use AI tools, if you look at my video that I did yesterday, to really focus on quality for my clients, but also to provide work services at speed for my clients, because today's world, everyone wants speed. For example, I believe that AI is able to do that for me in my business. I've been able to reduce my staff contractor load, for example, and I'm implementing AI tools to help me in my business, and I have a very small team now, which is very manageable, and we work really well. So I've got core team members to do certain tasks that are repetitive and that can give me that time freedom, as opposed to, if you look at my video from before, as opposed to being in meetings all day. As wonderful as it is being a CEO, you don't really want to be in meetings all day, every day, or at least be in a meeting every day and it lasts for 2 hours. Then there's another meeting that's going on from the meeting that I've had. It's just an ineffective way of doing things, because I believe it wastes a lot of time. We can just get on with the AI tools that we have and be able to do our jobs as effectively and efficiently as possible to give our clients the speed. Now, I'll use an example here. What we have been able to do with some clients that we've got, for example, we've been able to produce things a lot quicker in the space of hours rather than weeks. So I'm going to share this with you, a quick example of how you can create a telephone script, sales script to call care homes. You can even use voice AI, which is another tool that can actually make the calls to the care home. Once you've got the script and you've tweaked it, the information needs to be how you want it to be. So you're the one that producing the data, for example. Otherwise, as some professors and academics say, that if the person that's putting the data in doesn't know what they're doing, it can create hallucinations for AI and it will come out completely wrong. So this is not something that can be done by everybody. You've got to really understand how your business works and how you want it to work in order for you to get the correct information. So I'm just doing this live here so that you can see, and I just make sure that the page is showing. Yes, it is. Wonderful. And I'm going to share with you, you're going to watch the ChatGPT number 4 in action, 4.0. So I've just put here, create a telephone script to call care homes in the UK, make it friendly, and here is my website for you to gather information about what we do, i.e. services, how we can help care homes with staff shortages. I've done that as if you was the one doing it, if you're a care business. Now, what I would say is I would change this and I would say, please create a script for us to call businesses, for example, that are care businesses, so that we can offer our consultancy services to them. Here is our website, for example. Okay, so I'm just going to click. This is just a very basic one paragraph. I haven't gone too technical. So let's see what comes up here. So as you can see here, the ChatGPT has created the script. So I'll read it out to you. It says, introduction, person answers the call. Good morning, good afternoon, and then you say the name of the care home. The care home will then say, how can I help you? Then it says you. Then you would say, good morning, my name is, or good afternoon, my name is such and such, and I'm calling from Matriarch Training, for example. We offer a 360-degree care agency specializing in helping care homes like you address staff shortages with high qualified temporary and permanent healthcare professionals. May I please speak to the person in charge of staffing or recruiting? So then the call should be transferred. I haven't done with objections, and that will be the next thing that I would do to help you to cope with objections, because if you're going to call care homes, you need to practice calling them first before you just literally get on the phone, for example, so that you feel more confident. So then the call gets transferred, and then you say, good morning, good afternoon, and then the manager mentions their name, and then you then say, this is your name and I'm calling from your company. How are you doing today? And obviously they're going to say, yes, I'm doing fine. You want to build rapport. You don't just go straight into it. You want to ask them how they're doing. You can even go as far as, I looked at your website. Wow, your place looks amazing. It looks so friendly. And then you can say, I wanted to reach out to you because I understand that care homes are often under pressure to maintain high quality care whilst managing your staff shortages. And that's where we come in. Our agency specializes in providing fully vetted, reliable healthcare staff, both temporary and permanent, to ensure your residents receive uninterrupted, top-notch care. We're here to help care homes like yourselves across the UK reduce staff burnout amongst the care team. We cover shifts quickly as 1 hour, for example, and we maintain compliance with our staffing ratios to help you maintain staff compliance and staffing ratios. Does this sound like something that you would find helpful? Well, hopefully they will say yes. Then you say, that's great to hear. Let me quickly highlight how we can stand out for you. So, for example here, ChatGPT has said, 360-degree agency, we handle everything from vetting and training to onboarding compliance, ensuring a seamless fit for your team. Flexibility, whether you need the last minute shift or permanent team member, we're here to provide you with the unique requirements that you require. Reliability, our staff are thoroughly trained, DBS, and ready to integrate into your care home culture. They've already been trained about what to expect, how to deliver the care, and that you can even talk about the experience of the company, for example, that you have over 30 years experience, for example. And then you say, could we schedule a quick meeting to discuss your current staffing needs and how we can support you? If they express reservations, you can say, look, I completely understand. Staffing decisions are critical to ensure that your care home runs smoothly. Just to give you peace of mind, all of our staff members are, like I said, rigorously vetted, trained, and meet industry standards and fully compliant with CQC regulations. If you are regulated with CQC, then you would say that, but you can also say that we are fully compliant and we are a recruitment care agency, because in order for you to provide care staff in care homes, nursing homes, you don't need to be CQC registered. That's in the UK, that is.